Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and finally we received the DJI unit. This is Osmo Pocket expansion kit. Again, you know that this channel is not sponsored, so I had to call up some people, find this out who has this, and thanks again to Tech5 who had ordered this, and he is lending me this out. So thank you Tech5 if you are watching this video. Thank you for sending this product to me for like testing and stuff like that, because out here in this channel we present honest opinions on all products, and today you guys are going to learn whether this product is worth the 110 or 20 bucks that DJI is offering for, and what this expansion kit can do for you as videographers and creators. Photographers, this is not a video for you. If you're a videographer, this might be a thing. So let's jump in. Alrighty guys, so this is the Osmo Pocket expansion kit, and in this kit you're going to get three stuff. One is the controller wheel, the second is going to be the wireless module, and third is going to be the attachment to any sort of GoPro accessories. Well, I'm pretty much skeptical about the wireless module because literally right now with all the pro settings coming into your Osmo, that wireless module might not be required. But for this review we are not going to be skeptics. We are just going to check whether it's going to work or not by doing a real-time test. Now let's do the unboxing really. Alright guys, so let's begin with the unboxing. So we'll open up the box from here, and suddenly we see nothing. so that's a fail. Inside the box you guys are going to get the wireless pocket module. It's pretty tiny actually. If you can see that this is literally very tiny. The main component inside the box is this scroll wheel, and the scroll wheel actually is amazing because as you can see right now, apart from the scroll wheel, they have two directional buttons, and you can toggle between the directional buttons, or you can customize this scroll wheel to pan right or left or up and down. And also another component which you can buy separately is this GoPro attachment. So these are the three stuff that you're going to get inside the box, and let's begin and see how the Osmo Pocket looks and whether we can use all this attachment together. Alrighty guys, so I've attached the base stand out here. As you can see, the wireless pocket module has been attached. Now to attach the other accessories you do have to remove this connector. So let's go ahead and remove the connector at first. So as you can see, I've moved the connector and I'm accidentally pressed the start button, and my Osmo Pocket always does this even after the update. So I think it's one of the faults of me actually putting it in a different way. So we have attached that. The scroll wheel actually goes right into this area. So that's your scroll wheel, and that's how your Osmo Pocket looks with the accessory attached. Now the question is that can you attach this thing on the side? Well, you cannot. The scroll wheel will actually hinder a lot as there is no space. So this you have to attach it separately, which we are going to demonstrate later on. So this is how the Osmo Pocket controller wheel looks like. Now definitely you will be seeing that there is a lot of, this is on a whole another level, because see, there are two buttons out here. So when you switch to this one, your gimbal actually moves up and down. And what can you do with it? I'm going to demonstrate, so hold on to that thought. And second thing is that you can actually go left and right. So now guess what, with this you can now do infinity roll kind of stuff. Now we are going to demonstrate this really quick. As you can see that the gimbal rotates round about 360, but it's not a 360 total 360. So this is on a whole another level. If you guys are wondering what are these two buttons, well, if you click this button it actually flips your camera to the back, and you can flip this back again. With this one you can toggle through all the modes. You can go through follow, tilt lock, FPV. There's a lot of sunlight, so you guys might not be able to see. So now let's go ahead and do some creative shots. To demonstrate this, as you can see right now, I have a tree out here, and what a perfect example to do some creative shots. So this is creative shot number one using the Osmo Pocket wheel. As you can see right now, I'm using the Osmo Pocket wheel. Now let's see what you can do. The Pocket actually does a 360 kind of a movement. It has its gimbal limit, but you can increase and decrease your speed just by using the Pocket scroller wheel, and it's very sensitive. So that's already a 30-second shot. Okay, 3, 2, 1, we are bringing it down slowly and steadily. You're going to bring this thing down while you're moving the wheel. So that's another shot. of epic reveal. What we are going to do is that we are going to slow down the shot a bit by going at 1080 at 60. I don't do 4K, so again, same shot from the top. We'll adjust the gimbal. Okay, so the gimbal is adjusted. We are hitting record, and then we are moving the scroll wheel down like this and doing a kind of a reveal shot. You might get a vertigo effect. So for this, the Osmo Pocket is in FPV mode. It's not on tilt locked. Tilt lock mode, you'll get a lot of jittery movement, but FPV mode is the mode that you're going to be here. So at first, what you need to do is that you need to go to FPV, and then you bring your gimbal straight like this. Okay, just straight by using this, and then you toggle this tiny part out here, and now your gimbal will be straight like this. So press the record button and then put on the scroll wheel, and then keep on moving like this inside. You're going straight, and that will be your another shot. Alrighty guys, so what you need to do is that take your phone and go ahead and press this button called connect, and it's going to ask for a permission. As you can see, it has accepted, so you have to go and accept this. And after that, go ahead and press join on the DJI Mimo app. Device connected, so press OK. And now you do not need your camera at all. So your DJI app, so if I can focus in, hold on a second. Yeah, so as you can see right now, it's totally independent, and I can scroll down the wheel and everything. I can actually turn the camera gimbal on this side. So as you can see, that my footage got transferred wirelessly. So this is going to get shot without the ND filter. Now what we are going to do is that, so as you can see right now that everything got wireless transferred, and it's the same amount of time that it took for the Pocket with the connector to connect to my phone. And yep, this is an amazing piece of equipment by DJI. Controller wheel is way more helpful than any other accessory I've seen in the market. Why? Because it extends that like creativity. So definite recommendation, a controller wheel. Wireless pocket module, kind of iffy, because if you do not want to go through that transfer of connecting your Osmo Pocket all the time to your phone, this might be a better option. Also, remember this guys, you can now charge your Osmo Pocket with an extended power battery pack. Well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to this channel, because I just showed you the whole expansion kit. Let me know down in comments below what you think about this expansion kit, whether you like the wireless module or not. Do you think that whether this is helpful or not? I find the Pocket wheel to be much more helpful than anything else. So yeah, so there you go. See you again in the next video. Take care.